Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about the present situation of LLB students under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Our LLB students are facing a lot of difficulties from the Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Since 3 months, our LLB students are struggling from the Karnataka State Law University because continuously cases they are attending, continuously they are protesting, continuously they continuously putting efforts, but today somewhere we have lost the hopes, what you call justice we have not received from the honorable high court of Karnataka. So it doesn't mean that we lost something, especially for LLB students. I'm talking about whatever is happened, that won't ruin, what you call, ruin your life. You are the creator and you are the destroyer of your own destiny. Don't lose hopes, and please be, don't demotivate whatever the situations happened. Don't please give up in your life. This is the toughest situation what we can able to say. Many of the students have been boycott. Many of the students have not attended properly their examinations because of there is no clarity on present situation. So many of the students have got confused still. So please, my advice here is to please don't lose your hopes, my dear friends. Whatever is happened, we can't buy back. The thing is that you have to be confident. Whichever the present examinations are there, please be study well, and be please be confident about your studies, because this is your life. No one can bring your life. That is your life. You are the creator and you are the destroyer of your own destiny. My advice is to please be prepared for everything. We may not say for 3 years LLB also may conducted. They can go for, already they have gone for writ appeal. They may cancel the orders. We may not say anything about plus, but please be prepared for everything. So my advice here is to please be study for yourself, not for the examinations or not for anything. You have to be confident always. You have to be prepared always. Whatever the situation comes, we have to face it. So due to COVID-19, the, what do you call, curriculum has not happened from the Karnataka State Law University. That is the reason we have been requested for university and as well as the Honorable High Court, but still we have not received the justice. Means somewhere we have been fault. What do you call? So happened is happened. Let it be. But be confident at least going forward. Please don't depend on anything other than you. You have to be prepare yourself. You take syllabus, and you can take your own methods. Please be study every day at least 2 hours, minimum 2 hours. So you will definitely will going to get success. I'm not telling that please don't attend the classes. Please be attend the classes, and whatever they are teaching, that also you can able to learn. If they doesn't wanted to uh, they doesn't wanted to the classes, means sometimes you may not tell future what will come. Already Omicron, the cases are going up. If they doesn't wanted classes also, please be prepare yourself, because last subjects, if you can get the syllabus and if you can take textbooks, you can study your own method. You can able to study and you can able to pass your exams. Please don't depend on too much of other sources. Please be confident of yourself. Please be prepared for everything that is called life. Being a motivational speaker, I have to motivate, so I should not demotivate any of the person or any of the students of across Karnataka State Law University. My job is to motivate the students. They have to come in a normal situation. They have to stand on their own feet and they have to create their own destiny. That is my advice. For any kind of help, please be in touch with me. I can able to give suggestions, I can able to give help for any matters. Like, I have created many of the playlist for LLB academics and for your examinations point. Please be study those questions and please be ready for your LLB exams, even upcoming LLB exams also. Please don't neglect. Now only you have to start it and let it be complete the examinations first. For LLB students, I'm talking about 5 years LLB students. Let after that, please be study for upcoming LLB, what you call academics. So my advice here is to like that. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Keddy so that you will notified very good videos for for your academics, LLB examinations and notification. Thank you.